Item 5.5. Oh, sorry, we had 5.6, correct? 5.6. Hingarae Road Seal Extension. We have Mr. Dennis Lewis. Good afternoon, Dennis.
Good afternoon, Your Worship. I'll take this item as read and ask any questions. What we are seeking here is approval for the city and the mayor to accept a tender if it's within the prices stipulated in the report.
Very good, Dennis. Excuse my ignorance, but Hingarae Road is whereabouts?
Hingarae Road.
Western Bays?
Yep.
Is this in Councillor Truman's patch? Wow.
No. All the unsealed roads are.
Okay. Oh, well, that's so that's the 400k we spend per year.
Correct.
Has been well utilised here. And no doubt we've received submissions, so this is the one that needs the most attention at the moment.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Thank you, Councillor. Moved by Councillor Ruman and seconded by Councillor Boddy.
So can I just point a clarification, plus or including GST?
Plus GST.
Right. It should be clarified in the resolution, please.
Should be plus GST. Thank you, Councillor Park. All right. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.